Hello everyone.
Hello.
How are you all?
We are fine. And what about you?
I'm also fine. Are you all using masks?
Yes, we are.
That's good. Do you know Corona will attack again?
Yes, you are right.
So what do you think? How we can save our life and how we can prevent it?
COVID-19 is an infectious disease which was noticed in the Wuhan city of China in mid-December 2019, and it was declared as a pandemic by World Health Organization on 11 March 2020. This virus has now spread all over the world. If we see the current situation of India, then it is normal to some extent, but no one can say that how long it will be normal, because the third wave of COVID-19 is around the corner, and according to research, it may become in India in common with winter season. So we must careful about it. Thank you.
COVID-19 is a global pandemic. The meaning of COVID-19 is coronavirus disease, as we are well acquainted with the first and second wave of COVID-19. Now we have to face the question, how can we prevent the third wave of COVID-19? The government has estimation to next 2 to 3 months the third wave will come. But how much impact will be in India, it is not confirmed. Some people say that the third wave will be less dangerous than first and second wave, but it is not confirmed.
Coronavirus are a family of viruses that can cause respiratory illness in humans. It is the largest category of RNA virus, and according to the expert, the third wave of COVID-19 is more dangerous than last two waves.
COVID-19 is a potentially severe viral infection that affects our lungs and airways. Here we all are talking about the third wave. So the third wave may not happen if we take strong measures. It depends on how effectively guidance is implemented at the local level, cities, villages and everywhere.
Coronavirus is a contagious disease. It spreads through the droplets of coughing and sneezing. We should keep away from COVID person because it's transmitted one person to another.
Here we all are talking about prevention. But first of all, we know that what is prevention? Prevention is an act to stop something and ensure it does not happen. As we all know that India has battled the two waves of corona. But the next question is, will there be a third wave of corona in India? Yes, of course. Some reports say that it will be the peak in next month. So it totally depends on us how we behave and how many the variants, dangerous variants are produced.
Yes, we all know that the third wave of COVID-19 is around the corner. But here is the question arises that if it comes in India, then can we prevent it? So yes, we can prevent it in many ways, like by improving our immunity power, because immunity power protects us against viruses and diseases, and it produces antibodies to kill germs and bacteria. So improve your immunity power and be safe.
As we see in the last two waves, it affects younger and older ones. Now the prediction says that in this time we have to cure children first. We must know the common symptoms of COVID-19. The common symptoms of COVID-19 is dry cough, fever, loose motion and take a quick breath. We must follow the guidelines given by the Ayush Mantralaya. Wash our hand, mask is mandatory for 5 to 8 year old children, wearing a mask, avoid traveling, avoid unhygienic food, do meditation and yoga and boost immunity power.
A healthy diet helps to protect against the COVID-19 disease. If we develop symptoms or we have been exposed to COVID-19 virus, so first contact doctor for medical advice. Stay home from works, schools and public areas, and isolate yourself as much as possible from others, and avoid sharing dishes, glasses and household things.
We must not touch our eyes, nose with unclean hands. Wash your hands at least 20 seconds with soap and water or sanitizer. Make sure sanitizer is 70% alcohol or at least 60% alcohol.
If third wave may not happen, so we should take care of each and everything. We should discard used tissues, avoid contact with live animals, avoid consuming raw meat, junk foods. But we should consume a healthy, nutritious diet rich in proteins and vitamins.
Here we all are talking about the prevention, but what are the effects? As we all know that corona will affect a lot to our whole country. It affects the education sector most. Kids are not enjoying their school life, and it affects the kids' future.
The impact of COVID-19 was felt all over the world. COVID-19 only, all the sectors were badly affected. If we see the education sector of India, then I must say that it is not in a well condition. During lockdown, all the schools, colleges, universities and even institutes were closed. Due to this, most of the students left their studies in middle. And according to a study, almost 32 crore students has denied their studies only because of this pandemic. So this is not good for the development of India.
First, we congratulate to all Indians. We have crossed 100 crore vaccination. This vaccination is a weapon to fight in this pandemic. This vaccination built the antibody in our body to fight against the COVID-19. As we're talking about the effect of COVID-19, here many human life is lost. 10 millions of people are list of the
Coronavirus has not only become a public health crisis but also the affected global economics. Significant economic impact has already occurred across the global due to reduced productivity, loss of lives and business closures.
Because of COVID-19 coronavirus, we suffered a lot. And due to lockdown, all the activities have come to a standstill. Many families lost their family members. So take care of your physical and mental health. Be mindful of your stress level.
Coronavirus, it is more likely to affect those who has low immunity power, older folk, pregnant women, children and people suffering from heart disease and cancer. So they must take exercise to boost their self-immunity power. And if they have any problem, they can call on Jharkhand helpline number 104. And Arogya Setu is an application that will help a lot. And if we talk about effect, that coronavirus has affected all aspects of life. Economy got down, many people migrated. 10 million people were falling into poverty. As schools, colleges were closed, lockdown, Janta curfew were imposed, and that affected human beings a lot.
There is a lots of rumor that vaccine is not safe. If we get vaccine, that we may die. But I would like to tell everyone that don't spread rumor, because because of your rumor, people are afraid and don't take vaccine. So please don't spread rumor, spread awareness.
Yes, you are absolutely right. There is a big rumor about COVID-19 vaccine, that COVID-19 vaccine is not safe. If we take vaccine, then we may die. So I would like to tell to them that COVID-19 vaccine have been tested by multi-drug administration authorized in the world. And they are proven that it is effective to reduce the probability of connecting COVID-19 viruses. So don't think about rumor, just believe on it and take vaccine as soon as possible. Thank you.
Due to effect, in this lockdown, economically, environmentally, socially and financially we suffered a lot. Right now we see in the current situation, the school colleges were locked down. As we seen the rumors of this COVID-19, a huge rumor transmitted into social media that COVID-19 transmitted through the 5G network. Due to this, many 5G networks were destroyed and damaged. As if someone says that when we get vaccine, there are very side effects and allergic reaction. I would like to say that there will be no side effects due to this vaccination. As we seen that the side effect, there is no side effects.
As we know that we face two waves of COVID-19, then after people think rumor about COVID-19, so we should also be encouraged to take serious of COVID-19 and wear mask for safety of everyone.
There are lots of rumor about COVID-19 vaccine. So I would like to tell everyone that vaccine is especially important for the third wave of COVID-19. And I request you all that don't spread rumor, spread awareness. We should spread awareness so that people may aware of vaccine.
You're right. People spread rumors and they think that if they take vaccine, they will affected by coronavirus and they will die. And that's why they don't take vaccine, but they make false certificate to prove that they have taken vaccine. And who will be responsible for that? They won't be affected by coronavirus. So guidance should be implemented on the ground. And I want to request to them, please don't be afraid and take vaccine. If you have the life, you have the word. And make awareness instead of spreading rumor.
Don't forget, our government is doing all the effects to protect our public from corona. So now don't forget that it's our responsibility to help our government by following all the instruction and prove that we are together against corona.
Well, I have a question for you all. May I ask?
Yes, you are.
Means if the third wave of COVID-19 comes in India, then lockdown should be implemented. What do you think about it?
In my opinion, I don't think so. Lockdown should be implemented because we now seen the before lockdown, our country suffered a lot. Now in the current situation, situation is good.
I think lockdown is not solution of this pandemic. Because of lockdown, poor people suffer a lot. If third lockdown will be implemented, rich people can be survived, but poor people will be destroyed.
The way I see it, lockdown should not be implemented once again in India. Because of last two lockdowns, we suffered a lot and we faced many types of problems. So guidelines should be implemented and not locked down. And it's totally our responsibility that we must follow the guidelines given by government.
You're right. In my opinion, lockdown should not be implemented once again in India because we have seen in second wave of COVID-19, people work from home, but it's not possible for everyone, and many people got into depression. So I think lockdown should not be implemented once again in India.
Up to my mind, lockdown should not be implemented. If lockdown should be implemented once again, then we suffers a lot, and it is not impossible. Then each and every people start with zero. If I have a cut on my finger, that doesn't mean I cut my whole hand. As the same, if we follow all the instruction of government, then the lockdown should not be there.
Coronavirus is ruling all over the world. It's difficult to predict how long this virus outbreak will last. Till then, prevention is better than cure. Avoid being corona positive, but be mentally strong and positive. And please don't take it easy. If you take it easy, you will have to make for your bad health. By all means, we should gird up our loins to face this severe pandemic. And please follow guidelines given by World Health Organization. Till then, be safe, be happy, and be positive.